For today's video, day. Manglingyo ka, day. Shout out diha Cindy. Pinakasikat sa atoan sa YouTube o sa Facebook or anywhere, TikTok. Shout out everyone. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For today's video, die. According to Cindy, for today's video, die. We'll see. Mahirap mag-maintain ng nice house. I used to have a very nice and clean house. I don't have to clean up like mostly every day, only weekend. Pero laban lang, na. Kaya napamahal na sa aso. I'm in love with the job already. So it's hard. It's hard to live, so I have to have a lot of blanket cover on my and my wala pa ko'y panodlay. I show my organic face without makeup. Sometimes it's nice to show your original without makeup, right? Is that right to be? Yeah, I think so too. It's nice. Wala siyang i-insert. Daghan kaayong sapaw. Daghan kay sapaw ko ang couch. Para lang dili siya madaot. Kay wala siya cover ang mga. My couch is leather. It's gonna be very bad. Very bad. Kuha niya siyang trapuhan mo. Okay, ang akong banana sad. Tanaw TV. Isang pagka may siha kay magkaon o mga snackers. Minutan ka sa atong banakay na organ na nagpare. Dili sa abusan. Kaya maoy nagpa ari na to sa Amerika. To this video, die. To this video, die. Mauna ni. Hello, mga ka-YouTuber in my life. Kumusta mo diha, mga langga? Nang limpyo si Lola. Dili pa ko Lola ha. Wala pa ko'y apo. But thank you for the thumbs up. So aning butang diri. For this video, die. Day in my life. Thumbs up na. Salamat sa thumbs up. Diha lang na siya. Baga kay ang ako ang kuan. So this video die is live on my live